HA. Tunnel Plus is an amazing VPN app that has served many in a real beneficial way. Though many won't admit it, this app is one of the best VPN tunneling apps out there. This app has kept many of its users connected to the internet freely for a while now. Downloading and uploading very large files across the internet for free has been made possible thanks to this app and its features. But this annoying situation many face with the app makes many to have second thoughts concerning this application. Yeah, I'm talking of the well-known, connection failed, problem many are facing with the app. If you are tired of facing that issue, then you are in the right place as we count on 5 possible fixes to this connection failed problem in HA Tunnel Plus which you can apply to solve this issue. This issue is not mainly caused by the app. However, the problem might come from the both parties, that is, you and the application itself. Before every fixes, there must always be a diagnostic to determine what might cause the problem. So after analysis, we found out 5 possible reasons why the app reports that error. Which are: expired time, limited SNE host with limited daily access, SNE host no longer works or has been blocked, expired HAT file, poor network coverage. Knowing all of that will help us easily come past this issue. We will be fixing this issue based on each diagnostic listed previously. Fix 1, expired time. If the app reports this issue because of expired time, you will need to clear the app cache and request for new time. The essence of clearing cache is to avoid all possible bugs within the app. Once the app storage cache cleared, you can now click on the Add Time button to add more connection time to the servers. If you want a trick on how to get unlimited connection time, then you got to check out this our guide on how to get unlimited connection time in HA Tunnel Plus. Fix 2. Limited SNE host with limited daily access. If you are using a bug host that is limited daily to a certain data volume, then you will likely experience the connection failed issue. If you don't want this message to be shown again, you need to look for a new bug host that has unlimited data access. If you don't know how to find unlimited bug host, then you got to check out our ultimate guide to find bug host for free internet in any country. Fix 3. SNE host has been blocked. If the bug host you are using has been blocked, then there is no way you will get connected using it, and all you will receive as response is connection failed. To overcome this, you need to look for new working bug host for your country. Hopefully for you, our ultimate guide on that can help you get working bug host in no time. Fix 4. Expired HAT files. If you download expired HAT files from any source, then import them into the app, you will obviously get connection failed error since the file can be using an expired bug host or that the file has just simply expired. If you are in need of updated HAT files, then you got to check out our daily updated HAT files that you can download and use for free internet in any country. We have many countries covered with working files. Just check them out and see for yourself. Once you've downloaded a file from the website, import it and see the magic. It just connects without any problem. Fix 5. Poor network coverage. This situation is experienced when you are located in an area where network connection isn't a good thing to tell. However, Tunnel Plus has an amazing feature that just helps preserve the connection in extreme network conditions. I'm talking of the Preserve SNE-Host tab located just beneath the SNE-Host box. Ticking this will preserve the SSL/TLS connection in extreme network conditions, keeping your connection alive. Those were our 5 fixes to connection failed issue in Tunnel Plus. Will you find better solutions anywhere else? I don't think so. Don't forget to check out the video description for the written section on these fixes and for all the links mentioned in the video. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button down below and turn on the notification bell to be notified whenever we release a new video.